जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, ग्रीटिंग्स ऑफ द डे फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल सुंदर सर की पाठशाला। यस फ्रेंड्स, सो न्यू एनर्जी, न्यू डे, न्यू लाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग इज न्यू। You know, my dear friends, today's topic is new adverb, and in adverb subtopic is adverb of place. Adverb of place. My dear friends, in earlier classes, I already taught you what is the meaning of adverb. Adverb is a word which is add or something give more details about verb. Is called adverb. Adverb वह होता है दोस्तों जो verb में अपनी तरफ से कुछ ऐड करे। और now we are talking about adverb of place. You know well about place. Place is the जगह है, place is स्थान, प्लेस एक ऐसी जगह है जिसका हम नाम ले रहे हैं। मैं जयपुर में रहता हूं, जयपुर इज द प्लेस। मैं वहां जाता हूं, वहां इज द प्लेस। मैं यहां रहता हूं, यहां क्या है? प्लेस। मैं कहीं नहीं रहता हूं, कहीं नहीं क्या हुआ? प्लेस। सो द मेन मोटो इज दैट whenever we talk about adverb of place, in this condition we can tell it स्थानवाचक क्रिया विशेषण। स्थानवाचक क्रिया विशेषण। My dear friends, without delay, let's start today's class. So in our class, adverb of place, how will you define adverb of place? How will you indicate adverb of place? My dear friends, adverb of place is these indicates where on action happen. These and indicates where on action happen. ये यह बताता है कि कहां पे काम हुआ, कहां पे काम हुआ, कहां पे घटना हुई, कहां पे ये कार्य को इंप्लीमेंट क्रियान्वित किया गया, कहां किस जगह कौन सी जगह है। एज पर दिस सेंटेंस इस इंडिकेट ये बताता है, सूचित करता है वेयर कहां एन एक्शन हैपन, एक काम हुआ, एन एक्शन हैपन। दिस इंडिकेट्स वेयर एन एक्शन हैपन। नाउ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, let's take some example. Some example in the sense here, there, everywhere, outside, inside, upstairs, downstairs, downtown, shop, school, hospital, big buildings, small buildings, corner, चौराहा, तिराहा, red light, crossroad, you know, something near the big temple, big ground, big park. These are indicating the place. These are indicating the symbol of place. ये जगह को सूचित करने वाली चीजें होती है। My dear friends, suppose you are living in front of सामुदायिक भवन जयपुर, or whatever you can put in this झोटवाड़ा सामुदायिक भवन. So your place is near सामुदायिक भवन झोटवाड़ा जयपुर. In the sense you are just indicating about your address. You indicate about your address that your house is near the सामुदायिक भवन. Are you ready? If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and whatever you just put me comment also, so that I improve myself as well as I try to give you best to best content. Okay, so here in the sense यहाँ मोहित यहाँ रहता है, मोहित lives here. तुम वहां रहते हो, you live there. तुम कहां रहते हो, where do you live? Where do you live? तुम क्या खाते हो, what do you eat? My dear friends, what do you eat? In this sentence we did not mention any place. So this sentence is not belongs to adverb of place. We just whenever we use some place indicating some symbol, know the ideas. That sentence is belongs to adverb of place. Like राम कौन सी जगह रहता है? Where does Ram live? अब कहां इन द सेंस वी नो द प्लेस वेयर राम लिव, वी नो द प्लेस वेयर राम लिव। हम इसमें ये जानना चाह रहे हैं कि राम कहां रहता है, तो वी नो द प्लेस, हम राम का स्थान, राम की जगह, राम का एड्रेस, राम का पता जानना चाह रहे हैं दोस्तों। यस, सो हियर इन द सेंस यहां, और यहां से आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं वह यहां आता है, तुम यहां रहते हो, अनिता सुनीता यहां खाना खाती है, ये सर का बिजनेस है, यहाँ सर का होटल है, हमारे सर यहाँ डांस करते हैं, हमारे सर वहाँ डॉक्टर बनते हैं, हमारे सर वहाँ क्लर्क बनते हैं, हमारे सर वहाँ इंजीनियर थे। वॉट एवर यू कैन इमेजिन द सेंटेंसेस and you can convert into English, but first upon you need to think in English. If you think in English, one day you will be champion, one day you will be succeed in your life, in your goal. No one can't stop you, but first upon build your confidence, first upon focus on your goal and set your goal and just give affirmation to yourself. I will be become champion. I am the best. I'm healthy. I'm happy because God is with me. Because God is giving me bless. Because God give bless me. Always tell yourself, learn and give affirmation to your brain, to your mind, to your everywhere, to become champion, to become winner, to become superstar yourself. Build yourself every day. Just give up bad habits. Just give up bad company. Just follow up good friends. Just follow up the good habits. So here in the sense, here this house is my friends live here. यह घर मेरे दोस्त का है और मेरा दोस्त यहाँ रहता है, वह यहाँ रोज खाना खाता है। He eats food every day. वह यहाँ से रोज स्कूल जाता है। He goes to school every day from here. वह यहाँ रोज आता है। He comes here every day. Now next, there in the sense वहां, there in the sense वहां क्या हो रहा है अभी? What is going there right now? वहां अभी क्या चल रहा है? वहां क्या हो रहा है? What is going there right now? अभी वहां वह क्या खा रहा है? What is he eating there right now? वह अभी वहां क्या कर रहा है? What is he doing there right now? What is he doing there right now? वह अभी वहां क्या पका रहा है? What is he cooking there right now? My dear friends, you are looking such kind of beautiful sentences with the energy, with the power, and I hope with the understanding. Just try to write, just try to listening and understanding. One day, slowly, gradually, you try to speak, you will be champion. We are all of son and daughter of God. You believe in this? We are all equal. We have two hands, two legs, two eyes, two ears, one nose, all five body sense equal. If someone is become rich man and another become poor, what is the difference between them? My dear friends, the difference nothing. But if you think difference is very much, What kind of difference? I'm just explaining my words. That difference, only one difference, that we can call it think. We can call it thinking. If you think I'm champion, if you think I'm winner, if you think I will do this, if you think yes, whatever, I will see, but I will manage, definitely I will become winner. One day you will get success. So that is why I am requesting you, whenever you just read there, just give the example of related to there in your brain, in your mind, and try to give the sentences. Try to give the sentences. तुम यहाँ क्या करते हो? What do you do here? What do you do here? आप यहाँ क्या करते हो? What do you do here? वह वहां क्या करता है? What does he do there? What does he do there? Okay, I'm sorry. Next. Sorry. This is the part of life. This is the part of life. We cannot stop this sneezing. Sneezing is the part of life. So I'm so sorry. ये इसको भी अभी आना था, बड़ी बदतमीज हो रही है छींकना. Okay, छींकना आगे से मत आना. Okay, okay बेटा, आप भी मना कर दो, मैं भी मना कर दिया. And you don't also sneezing while watching. आप भी देखने के दौरान मत छींकना. Okay. Here, there, everywhere in the sense, entire, everywhere, सभी जगह. God is situated everywhere in the world. भगवान सभी जगह विराजमान है इस दुनिया में. God is situated everywhere in the world. Whenever God give air to everyone, we just survive life. Whenever God give air everywhere, we survive life, we save life, and we become movement in our body. We become go here, there, and running life. Okay, next, outside, बाहर की तरफ, inside, अंदर, भीतर. Outside, बाहर. You wait for a moment outside. Please wait a bit outside. You wait outside for a moment. आप कुछ क्षण के लिए बाहर रुको. You wait outside for a moment outside. आप कुछ क्षण के लिए बाहर रुको. You wait outside. You do your work outside. You do, तुम करो. Your work, आपका काम, outside, बाहर की तरफ. आपको आपकी गाड़ी बाहर लगानी चाहिए. You should park your vehicle outside. You should park your vehicle outside. आपको सुबह समय पे जगना चाहिए. You should wake up on time. You should wake up in the morning on time. आपको सुबह समय से जगना चाहिए. So let's be just talking about the outside. Outside, what are you doing outside? Why does he sit outside? वह बाहर क्यों बैठा है? वह बाहर क्यों बैठता है? Why does he sit outside? आप बाहर क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing outside? तुम क्या खाते हो? What do you eat? आप बाहर क्यों खाते हो? Why do you eat outside? पैसा बचाओ, घर में खाओ. Save the money and eat at home. पैसा खर्च मत करो, एक एक रुपए की वैल्यू समझो. Don't expense money. Don't waste money. Don't expense money unnecessary. You save the money. If you save the money will save your life. My dear friends, colleague, relative, family members, all the citizens of my country, I will humble request you, please watch my all the videos and like, share, subscribe, and put me messages also so that I improve my skills. I try to become champion. I give to best content to the students as well as everyone who wants to learn English. My dear friends, so today's our topic is adverb of places. In adverb of places, you know well, here, there, everywhere, outside, inside. What are you doing inside? What are you doing inside? What is mama doing inside the kitchen? Such kind of beautiful sentences related to एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेसेस. ये इतने अच्छे से जो सेंटेंसेज आपको मिल रहे हैं, ये सब एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेसेस होते हैं. ओके, एग्जांपल नंबर 1, शी इज वेटिंग हियर फॉर द बस. समवन स्पीक हियर, समवन स्पीक हियर, बट इफ यू स्पीक एज पर ब्रिटिश एंड यूएस साउंड, यू कैन स्पीक इट हियर. ओके, शी इज वेटिंग हियर फॉर द बस. She is waiting for the bus. She is waiting here for the bus. It means someone. There is a girl. There is a female. She is waiting here. वह यहाँ इंतजार कर रही है. She is waiting here. वह she is waiting here. वह यहाँ इंतजार कर रही है for the bus. बस के लिए. Now my dear friends, you can change the subject. Put he. He is waiting here for the bus. Ram is waiting here for the bus. Sham is waiting here for the bus. Sham is waiting here for the auto. Sham is waiting there for the train. Sham is waiting there for the bicycle. Radha is waiting here for the aeroplane. Modi is waiting here for the Wagner car. Rahul is waiting here. Rahul is waiting here. Rahul is waiting here for the truck. So you can speak whatever you want. Just try and speak many sentences and do practice. Do practice. Practice makes you perfect. Practice makes you man perfect. Okay? If you do hard work, one day you will be succeed. There's no shortcut of life. There's no shortcut of life. You have to do hard work. You have to focus on your goal. You have to be continuous. You have to give time. You have to sharp your mind. One day you will be champion. One day you will be champion. Yes, the children are playing outside. My dear friends, we are talking about children. Children in the sense the student who is studying. The student, those are studying. The student, those are study. वो बच्चे जो पढ़ाई करते हैं, we can call them children, and children are playing outside. जो बच्चे खेल रहे हैं वो outside. Outside indicating here adverb of place, and here is indicating adverb of place. So this is called adverb of place. This is called adverb of place. Now, example number 3. Look at the 3rd. He looked everywhere but couldn't find his key. He looked everywhere. उसने सभी जगह देखा. He looked everywhere. He looked everywhere but couldn't find his key. लेकिन उसने अपनी चाबी को नहीं ढूंढ पाया. He couldn't find his key everywhere. Everywhere in the sense entire places. Entire places like room, bedroom, drawing room, kitchen, washroom, everywhere. He looked everywhere his key but he couldn't find his key. लेकिन उसको वो अपनी क्या चाबी को नहीं ढूंढ पाया. We went upstairs to check on the baby. We went upstairs. हम ऊपर की तरफ गए to check on the baby. बच्चे को देखने के लिए, बच्चे को चेक करने के लिए. Okay, upstairs in the sense it's located the place. It's located the place. Now the dog is hiding behind the couch. The dog hiding. The dog, जो डॉगी है वो हाइड हो रखा है, छिप रखा है behind the couch. कोच के पीछे, कोच के पीछे. अब my dear friends, what is the place? Behind in the sense hiding behind the couch. अब what will you say? The dog is hiding behind the dog. अब hiding behind in the sense time of place. Okay, dog. Now he traveled abroad. He traveled abroad for work last year. He traveled abroad. उसने यात्रा की अब्रोड की, विदेश की, फॉर वर्क काम के लिए लास्ट ईयर. यानी वह पिछले साल काम के लिए विदेश गया. वह पिछले साल काम के लिए विदेश गया. ही ट्रेवल्ड अब्रोड फॉर दी वर्क लास्ट ईयर. लास्ट ईयर इन द सेंस, लास्ट ईयर इन द सेंस, सॉरी, अब्रोड इन द सेंस adverb of place. Now cause is the place. Cause is the place. Okay. Please come inside. It's getting late. कृपया जल्दी आओ, देर हो रही है. Please come inside. Please come inside. कृपया जल्दी आए. It's getting late. हमें देर हो रही है. Please come inside. Please go outside. We are being late. Please go outside. We are getting late. Please come inside. We are getting late. Please hurry up, bath. We are getting late. Please come outside from the washroom. I am getting late. कृपया बाथरूम से जल्दी आओ, मुझे लेट हो रही है. मुझे भी वो क्या आ रहा है, कोई जो भी whatever. Okay. Next. So inside in the sense adverb of place. The plane flew above the clouds. Above the clouds. जो प्लेन है, एरोप्लेन है, वो फ्लू उड़ा अबोव द क्लाउड्स. प्लेन बादलों से ऊपर उड़ा. द प्लेन फ्लू अबोव द क्लाउड्स. प्लेन बादलों से ऊपर उड़ा. प्लेन बादलों से ऊपर उड़ा. नेक्स्ट, आई लिव नियर द स्कूल. मैं स्कूल के पास रहता हूं. आई लिव नियर द स्कूल. मैं स्कूल के पास रहता हूं. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, स्कूल इन द सेंस adverb of place. School is giving the location and symbol. Where does you live? Where do you live? Next, the shop is located downtown. जो दुकान है वो डाउनटाउन में स्थित है, नीचे की तरफ स्थित है. डाउनटाउन locating adverb of place. The shop is located downtown. तो दुकान स्थित है नीचे की तरफ. She looked ahead but couldn't see anyone coming. वह सामने देखी. She looked ahead. वह सामने देखी but couldn't see anyone coming. लेकिन यह नहीं देख पाई कि कोई सामने से आ रहा है. She looked ahead. वह सामने देखी but couldn't see. लेकिन नहीं देख सकी. Anyone coming. किसी को आते हुए नहीं देख सकी. किसी को आते हुए नहीं देख सकती. She looked ahead but couldn't see anyone coming. Okay. Anyone. तो anyone in the sense okay, किसी को. She looked ahead but couldn't see anyone coming. Okay. Next, he stood far from the crowd. He stood far from the crowd. वह भीड़ से क्या था, दूर खड़ा था. He stood far from the crowd. He stood खड़ा था. Far दूर, from the crowd. Okay. So crowd in the sense स्थान, place where the crowd was situated. Crowd will be adverb of place. He stood far from the crowd. Are you getting? Next, let's go home after the movie. चलो घर चलते हैं मूवी के बाद में घर चलते हैं. लेट्स गो होम आफ्टर द मूवी. लेट्स गो, चलो चलते हैं. होम घर, आफ्टर द मूवी यानी मूवी के बाद में घर चलते हैं. दे लिव समवेयर इन द सिटी. दे लिव वो रहते हैं, वे रहते हैं. समवेयर कहीं, इन द सिटी वो कहीं सिटी में रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, आई लेफ्ट माई फोन अपस्टेयर इन माई रूम. मैं ऊपर की तरफ मेरा फोन कमरे में छोड़ आया. मैं ऊपर की तरफ मेरा फोन कमरे में छोड़ा है. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन टेल इट. मेरा फोन ऊपर की तरफ कमरे में रह गया, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. ओके. सो अपस्टेयर. नेक्स्ट, समवेयर. these are called adverb of place. So once again I am just trying adverb of place. स्थानवाचक क्रिया विशेषण. These indicate where an action happen. Here, there, everywhere, outside, etc. She is waiting here for the bus. The children are playing outside. The small baby is playing outside. My daughter is playing outside. My friend is playing outside. You can speak, you can make the sentences, and you can practice. Next, he looked everywhere but couldn't find his key. He looked everywhere but couldn't find his pen, his notebook. Next, we went upstairs to check on the baby. We went upstairs to check my parents. मैं ऊपर गया मेरे मम्मी पापा को देखने के लिए. I went upstairs to check my friend, मेरे दोस्तों को देखने के लिए ऊपर गया. The dog is hiding behind the coach. जो डॉगी है behind the coach है. He traveled abroad for work last year. Please come inside. It's getting late. मेरा काम जल्दी करो, मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ. Please do my work first. I'm getting late. Please do my work. I'm getting late. The plane flew above the clouds. I live near the school. The shop is located downtown. She looked ahead but couldn't see anyone coming. He stood far from the crowd. Let's go home after the movie. They live somewhere in the city. I left my phone upstairs in my room. My dear friends, I will tell you one and last universal fact. चाहे से प्राइम मिनिस्टर हो, चाहे से प्रेसिडेंट हो, कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. Besides the God, no one is perfect in this world. Are you agree? If you agree, please like, share, subscribe, and put the message. And request and respect always your friends, parents, and be happy, healthy, wealthy, and fit by God blessing. All the best. Have a good day. Nice day. Jai Hind.